In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change chart colors on the Tradingview mobile app so you can customize your charts and make them easier to view. Start by opening the Tradingview mobile app and loading any chart. Once your chart is visible, tap and hold anywhere on the chart screen to open the options menu. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will take you to the chart customization panel where you can adjust how everything looks. Inside Settings, look for the Canvas or Appearance section. This is where you control the background and overall visual style of your chart. Tap on the background option. Here you can choose between a solid color or a gradient. A solid color gives your chart a clean look, while a gradient adds a more styled appearance. Next, tap on the color selector and choose the color you prefer. You can go with darker shades for a night mode feel or lighter colors for a brighter chart. You can also scroll through the settings to adjust candlestick colors, grid lines, and other visual elements to match your trading style. As you make changes, your chart will update instantly, so you can see how everything looks in real time. If you're not happy with the color, you can always go back and change it again until it fits your preference. And that's it! You've successfully changed chart colors on the Tradingview mobile app, making your charts more personalized and comfortable to use.